In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit funds into your Exness trading account using a bank card. First, sign into your personal area on the Exness website or through the mobile app. Make sure you're on a secure connection and, if available, use two-factor authentication for extra safety. Once you're in, you'll see your trading accounts listed. Next, start a deposit by selecting the trading account you want to fund and clicking the deposit button beside it. If you manage more than one account, take a second to double-check the account number so the money goes exactly where you expect. When the payment methods appear, choose Bank Card, typically listed as Visa or MasterCard. This option is convenient for quick funding. Depending on your region, you may see information about limits or availability. That's normal and is provided to help you stay within allowed ranges. You'll now enter the deposit details. Type the amount you want to add and confirm which trading account will receive the funds. Keep an eye on any minimum or maximum limits shown, and consider the account currency to avoid unnecessary conversion charges. If your card and account are in different currencies, Exness or your bank may apply an exchange rate. Make sure the card is in your name and enabled for online transactions under your bank's rules, since mismatches or restrictions can lead to a decline to deposit. Before sending the request, review the transaction summary carefully. Check the amount, the payment method, the destination account, and any notes on processing. If everything looks correct, click Confirm to proceed. This quick review helps prevent avoidable errors. You'll be redirected to your bank's secure page to complete payment. Here, enter your card details as requested and authorize the transaction. Many banks use additional verification, such as a one-time code or biometric prompt. Follow the instructions on screen. For security, ensure the page shows a padlock icon and the correct domain before you finalize. After authorization, you'll return to Exness and can check your balance. In most cases, funds appear instantly or within a few minutes. If you don't see the update right away, refresh the page or open the account's transaction history and give it a moment, as processing times can vary slightly by bank. That's it. You've funded your Exness trading account using a bank card. Keep your confirmation for your records and remember these steps for next time so you can deposit quickly and confidently whenever you're ready to trade.